you need to bring your original passport and colored copies of all the pages of your passport, including the cover pages. Hello and welcome to today's video. My name is Anne Wamboi. I'm a Kenyan au pair living in Copenhagen, Denmark. I'm going to be talking about the documents that you need to bring with you while you apply for your au pair visa to Denmark. Number one, which is very important, is your passport. Before you submit your documents to the VFS Center, you need to bring your original passport and colored copies of all the pages of your passport, including the cover pages. Number two, your birth certificate. Bring your original and a colored copy of your birth certificate. Number three, your educational documents. You need to bring the original certificates and colored copies of these certificates as well. And the last one is you have to attach a copy of the receipt that shows that you've paid for the visa fee. The visa fee is 1,455 Danish krona. In Kenya shillings, it's about 26,000. And so make sure that you pay this fee prior to your appointment at the VFS Center. So that it's just easier for you on the day of the appointment. And one more thing, I remembered when I was going for my biometrics and submitting my documents, there was a visa processing fee that I paid at the VFS Center via mobile money. I paid via M-Pesa. I cannot remember quite how much it was, but just make sure that you have some money with you on your mobile. Yeah, and that's pretty much it.